Hi, we're going to look at equivalent ratios. And in this video, we're going to talk about two different methods, just like we did with ratio tables. And we're going to look at the ratio of 12 to 2, or $12 for 2 weeks worth of work. So if I were to look at that ratio, and I said 12 to 2, and I wanted to turn that to a unit rate, unit being 1, okay, I would say, how did I get from 2 to 1? I'd say 2 to 1 is divide by 2. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. And so that would be, this one is $6 per week, okay? Then I say, all right, is this $6 per week? If I went from 36 to 6, 36 to 6, and I want to find the unit rate, I would say, okay, how did I get from 6 to 1? That's divide by 6. So I'm going to divide by 6 here. 36 divided by 6 is 6. So the unit rate here would also be $6. But here's a second method that's a little bit easier. I can do cross multiplying, where I say, all right, here are the cross numbers, the kitty corner. Kitty corner is cross. And I say 2 times 36. That is 72. Let's do the other cross. 6 times 12. That is also 72. So they are equal. So in this particular answer, I would say yes. And I think the cross multiplying is a little bit easier. I could do the same here. How did I get from 9 to 3? Well, I divided by 3. So the amount of money you make, divide by 3, that's the amount of magazines that you sold. But I want to do the cross multiplying, where I say 3 times 20 is 60. And I want to say 9 times 5 is 45. Are those two numbers equal, 60 and 45? No, so I would say no, they are not equivalent. Let's try it down on the third one on your reteach. 225 times 3. That's 675. Then I say, and you can use your calculator, 135 times 5. When I put that in the calculator, I get 675. So both of these numbers are equal. So yes, they are equivalent. And I think the cross multiplying is going to be way easier on this particular lesson.